In the heart of South Yorkshire lies a village that feels untouched by time, a place where history, heritage, and harmony with nature live side by side. This is Wentworth. Our journey begins at the Camellia House, a graceful 18th century glasshouse built for beauty and light. Once home to rare flowers cherished by generations of gardeners, it stands today as a symbol of quiet revival, where history blooms once again beneath glass and stone.
Once forgotten, the Camellia House at Wentworth has bloomed again, a masterpiece of restoration and care. In 2025, it received the Europa Nostra Award, Europe's highest honor for heritage conservation. This elegant 18th century glasshouse, home to some of the world's oldest camellias, now stands renewed, blending history, craftsmanship, and sustainability. Its revival is not just about preserving beauty, but about bringing life, learning, and community back to the heart of Wentworth.
Step outside, and the Camellia House Garden unfolds like a living painting, a gentle mix of pathways, blossoms, and still air that carries whispers of the past. Here, time slows, and every petal seems to tell a story.
Just beyond the gardens rises the grand silhouette of Wentworth Woodhouse, one of the largest private houses in Europe, with more than 300 rooms and a facade that stretches endlessly across the landscape. It stands as a masterpiece of English Baroque and aristocratic ambition. Even from the outside, its scale inspires awe, a reminder of the craftsmanship and vision that shaped an era. Beyond the stone walls, life moves at a gentler pace. Cattle graze in open meadows, their calm presence connecting the estate's grandeur to the quiet rhythm of the countryside. It's a timeless balance, nature and history, side by side.
Nestled in South Yorkshire, Wentworth was once the seat of the powerful Wentworth Fitzwilliam family, whose influence shaped the grand estates and graceful landmarks that remain today. From its stately halls to its working farms, Wentworth tells the story of a community that has grown around history, where tradition and daily life still walk hand in hand.
A short stroll away lies the Wentworth Garden Centre, once part of the estate's walled gardens, now a place of life and community. Among flowers, farm shops, and laughter, you'll find a bridge between the past and present, where heritage grows fresh roots every day.
Standing proudly nearby is the new Holy Trinity Church, its spire rising above the trees as a symbol of Victorian faith and endurance. Built in the 19th century, it carries the light of devotion, casting long shadows that stretch across the village green. Not far away, the Old Holy Trinity Church rests in peaceful silence. Its weathered stones and ivy-covered walls speak softly of centuries gone by, of prayers once whispered, and stories now held gently in the air. As the sun sets over Wentworth, light spills across fields and rooftops, touching every leaf, every stone, every memory. This is more than a village, it is a living tapestry of history and heart. Wentworth, where the past breathes quietly in the present.